Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. Fresh concern is mounting about the slow pace of efforts to transform downtown's Waterfront into a thriving economic hub. Speaking at the Maurice Facey lecture recently, international urban planner Brent Todderan is warning leaders to end what he calls a culture of excuse and instead focus on action. According to Mr. Todderan, Jamaica is wasting one of its greatest assets.
For downtowns, and let's be clear, I don't think there's such a thing as a silver bullet. There's no one thing that's going to save your downtown. But if there was one thing that was close to that, housing. And we have had downtowns that have tried to be cultural and tourism and entertainment and government and commerce. Downtowns are neighborhoods.
Mr. Todderan also called for immediate efforts to clean up Kingston Harbour, describing its current state as a crisis and one of the worst he's seen worldwide. He's also warned that the country's best ideas are often slowed down by a lack of follow-up and their consequences for moving too slowly. To the stock market now, the JC index declined by 411 points, while the junior market index declined by 21 points. The winners include Key Insurance Company, ISP Finance Services, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, The Lab, and Kintyre Holdings. The losers include VM Investments, Consolidated Bakeries, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Cargo Handlers, and First Rock Real Estate Investments. 20 stocks traded firm. To the foreign exchange market now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.85. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.33. The pound is going for $215.18, while the euro is selling for an average $190.34. And that's the Business Day international stories right after the break.